Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublai phi baro gini gilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association meta ha gaski tho ding galakan tho baga jingpen kenria eka kenhun pulit ka bahe ba ha gajaka puli jong North Eastern Hill University nehu kalong ka baklem pat jujia menu menuru bat ka baklem nongrem satya. President ka meta Professor Desmond L. Kharmauplang ha ka kerwa uloong ka kam ka shim ya ka jingmut ka bakham kya ba ha balapau perthei ba ka jingwan rungtu shigi jaka jong ka school ba lale klem da don ki bor jong ka an ban yakran bat ki bor penya jong ka school ba lane wat ban persang ban yo jingben uloong ba ka meta kalayo ya ki jingkhot ki bashir khei bat ki bating na ki samla puli ki bamla khen ki bla sha penting ha ka jingdon jong ki jan khaki bat ki jing tlot yele kai ki bla yathu ba ki yad ha ki benta ba pher jong ka campus ki bla pen khre ban yele kai bat ki ba ai jingmut ba ki pulit ki don ha ka jingnet ka ba jungai ki trok bat ki kari jong ki sha pendap da ki tiar bat ki tiar bivo ka jingdon jak kum kane ka jingdon jong ki pulit ki ba he ba ka ba dei ba ka jing sha kanno balale be ijon kalong ka ba ompat jujia bar ka ba ompat jukhon bat ka jingmi na kane kalawan ra ya ka jing sngosi bat jing shep tiang hapring ki pat ba jong ka skol ba ki ba kentup ki samla puli kinong hikai kinong kershan ba kinong penbiang ya ki jing shakri be trailang ong u Professor Kharmauplang ha ka jing yalang jong ka hadu kata bala bot bat i no ya ki kam puli puthi bat kam sensyar bubunjan u Professor Kharmauplang ula ong ba ka meta ka penram ya kane ka jing pen ibor ka ba pau perthei kabalawan ra ka jaka puli ka baklem da tip AA hadin ka jing perkhat ka babnya ka meta ka yo I ya kane kum ka we na ki but thok jong ki riu shimen bat ki seng ki badan ka jing mentoy ki bathmu ban pensniu ya ka jing long jing man
Continue. My dear friends, we must understand this, that our institute belongs to us, and it is us only who will decide who will stay inside the campus and who will not. Yes. We have made it very clear that we are not against any kind of allegation that has been put forward towards us. Instead, we are cooperating. We have been cooperating since day one.
Police, ma'am, you can talk to the police.
Talk to the police.
Bring this law and order situation in campus.
Yes.
Don't
interfere again. Do not interfere again.
Who sent you? Who sent you to provoke here?
Who sent you? Sukla sent you.
We are not the ones that
Who sent you to provoke us here?
Please go and talk to them.